Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Sugar's Crypto. Before we begin, I must congratulate every ADA Cardano holder out there because we've been waiting for Coinbase to list Cardano on Coinbase. Obviously, it was not fully integrated because the only thing that we could do at the moment is move our ADA coins to Coinbase Pro, which is their daily trading active platform that they have for active traders. Of course, we don't not have the buying and selling and even storing or even staking on their platform just yet. But as soon as they will announce it, they will let us know via Twitter. Okay, but this is good though. It is good that we can at least move ADA into their platform and we can start trading it against some trading pairs such as US dollar, BTC. There's some other ones that I don't have the list right now to go over it, but there is part of Cardano ADA Coin in Coinbase Pro that so far. So this is good because we're moving in this platform where it's one of the big gateways for new investors to use. So that being said, let's talk about Alonzo, the biggest Cardano hard fork that's occurring this year, 2021. My expected date for this release would be around Q3. But we are gonna hear more about it by IOHK by the end of this month of March. They will hopefully on the Cardano 360 monthly update, they will release some dates to the Alonzo Hardfork. Now, let's go to this chart real quick because I want to explain to you guys what this Cardano integration in Coinbase could do to the price of ADA, and the new hard fork Alonzo could impact the price of ADA also. So look at on the right side, this diagonal line right here in June 29, 2020, the Shelly, the decentralization was released. Obviously, we didn't had a bull rally right after. We did had maybe a 10 to 20, maybe even 30% upswing or even less. And we traded sideways for about 4 months. So the Shelly, the decentralization, didn't really impact the price of ADA as much as we thought it would. But the reason probably why it didn't happen is because if you think about it, the decentralization stands for the proof of stake. That means everybody's getting paid. Everybody can participate. So ever since they launched the decentralization, we all been staking and earning ADA rewards. We've been minting new coins, right? We've been inflating the system with ADA coins, right? So everybody's been getting rewards. Everybody's been delegating, and we are like over 90% decentralized right now as the time of the time of making this video. So, but about 4 months ago, the 19th of November 2020, we started to see some upswings on the ADA coin price. We have seen about, check this out, in 4 months, we have seen the price of ADA peaked about 1,133% before the Merry Hard Fork was launched. Now, of course, right here, this vertical first green line was when March 1st is when the Merry Hard Fork was released. Now, as soon as the price peaked and as soon as this Merry Hard Fork occurred, there was a sellout. There were selling happening. Of course, we sold out about 22% downswing. Let's make sure we did this right. It's good to use our tools here. So this is about 22% drop that we have. We want to call it sell-off, right? And of course, there'll be some sell-off because many of the people anticipating this Merry Hard Fork were buying 3 cent ADA, 6 cent ADA, and of course, peaking above our previous all-time highs. Of course, they're gonna take some profits. So that's what just occurred. And this other green line that I draw here is the Cardano, the IOHK Cardano 360 monthly update happening by the end of this month. And hopefully by this day, they will release some dates when we will be expecting the Alonzo hard fork happening on Cardano. Now, today, the price went up. As you can see, this big green candle. I don't know if it's green on your screen, but it is green on mine. It went up. Well, it's not really green. It's probably like a blue, like a native, just like a dark blue. It went up about 20%. That's what we saw today. 20% upswing on this candle here due to the announcement of Coinbase listing ADA on Coinbase Pro for trading. So, but the thing is that we are expecting the price to go. I'm expecting it for Cardano to reach at least $5 by the end of this year, or by next year. Because the thing is, like, if that happens, $150 billion market cap Cardano is a possible scenario, because this hard fork will be able, Alonzo Hardfork will be able to build any smart contract on Cardano, decentralized finance, DeFi, right? Non-fungible tokens. You could build any different dApps, and the coolest thing about it is that you can build it from any programming language, or most of the programming languages. You could use Java, JavaScript, Python, C#, bytecode, Plutus, Marlow, Haskell. You could use just about Solidity, every other block, most of all the languages you could build. So a big entry, not only for investors but for developers to deploy smart contract on our platform. That happening, it would increase the value of our blockchain, and we're gonna get a lot of attention from institutional investors, just like Ethereum. Ethereum is always on the headlines because it's the biggest market cap after Bitcoin. But Cardano will soon be right behind it, right? Deploying all this smart contract, creating all this DeFi, creating all these non-fungible tokens. I believe Kaizen Crypto, I believe Crypto Crow, they're making arts. They're making digital arts that they're going to be tokenized on Cardano soon. I mean, there's people behind working really hard, trying to, coming up with ideas for this event that's happening very soon. Not only that, but everyone that's holding ADA can participate on the staking reward. So we all getting paid while we wait for the programmability to occur, right? For the Alonzo Hardfork to happen, right? And it'll happen this year. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and like this channel to support me, and also subscribe to IOHK. That way you can stay up to date, because they are more active when it comes to giving out updates to the community. But make sure you guys are up to date, because it's very important to us as investors to be invested earlier than other investors are. That gives us an advantage for our investment to increase in value, and we could have higher rate of returns of our initial investment, right? Not only that, but the compounding your rewards of your staking will make your balance grow even more, thereby giving you higher rewards. Of course, you have to do your homework and look what pool operator or what pool suits you the best, with the highest rewards, with the lowest fees, and make sure it's not over saturated, right? Right now, the saturation point is around 65 million saturation point. Make sure it's below that. So as soon as this moves and rolls along, and right now we are even voting on Cardano. So right now, this is my first fund. I'm participating on Fund 3, which Fund 3 and all the funds that we are funding. We don't have a video on that yet, but follow Kaizen Crypto, guys. I'll be leaving a link on his channel on the description below, because it's very important that you know how to vote on Cardano, because you'll get paid to vote. You'll get you get paid to vote, guys. This moves, it gives it more incentive for the community to participate on the voting, on the governance of our blockchain, you know? Also, each fund will hold some ADA funds. Like, we're talking like 500,000 ADA. We're talking around 250, depending on each fund. And each of these fund will pay also for developers to bring in proposals and solutions to each fund challenge they put in place. So each fund will have a challenge that they have to solve, or is targeted to, and they have to come up with proposals for it. And we, as the community, get to participate and vote for whoever is more attractive and bringing value into our blockchain. So that brings more incentive for developers to deploy a smart contract on our platform also. So this is great, guys. This is the treasury system is unlike anything out there. That way, nothing bad happens. Just like Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, that they make hard forks and they split the chain and they split developers. Everybody's mad. A community goes that way, another community goes that way off one blockchain. At least we could be together in Cardano and we all could participate and have voting and have democracy in our blockchain, which is a cool feature that no other blockchain has at the moment, right? So we have that, and this is my first participation that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna get rewarded for doing so. So make sure you're doing it too. Make sure you subscribe to Christ and Crypto. Make sure you are following his videos because his videos are very educational. And so we'll see where we go from here, but I think we're gonna go past to the moon, guys. I think we're gonna go out into the atmosphere, guys, because Cardano is very well done. And as soon as the institutional investors start looking at Cardano and start really understanding that Cardano was based with mathematicians, with scientists, formal methods, peer review paperwork, they will know that this is not a joke. This is not Silicon Valley developers. This is freaking university. This is professors. This is every single code is audited. Every single thing that is done in Cardano is audited by different auditors. And so we don't make any mistakes while we develop Cardano. So this is nothing. Now all the blockchain is being done the way Cardano is being done, guys. And right now is a great opportunity to invest because we are still on the developing phases. And we have not even released the phase of the programmability, which is coming very soon. So stay put, stay positive out there, stay healthy, subscribe and like. This is nothing said on this video is financial advice. Take care, guys. Peace out.